Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Nexora channel, where learning English becomes simple and enjoyable. How are you today? I am Michael and today I am here with Sarah. We are going to talk about I accidentally liked my ex's photo from 3 years ago.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to be here with Michael today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi Michael, I'm doing very well. How about you?
I am doing great. Today I have a funny and embarrassing story.
Really? What happened?
It happened one quiet evening. I was relaxing at home after work.
Did you have a busy day?
Yes, I'd worked all day and just wanted to rest.
So you stayed in?
Yes.
What did you do first?
Made a cup of tea.
That sounds nice.
Then I sat down on my sofa.
Were you watching TV?
No.
Reading a book?
No.
Then what were you doing?
I picked up my phone.
Checking messages?
Yes, replied to a few.
What happened after that?
I opened a social media app.
Do you use it every day?
Not every day, but pretty often.
What were you looking at?
Photos from my friends.
Did you enjoy them?
Yes, a lot of people had posted from their weekend.
That sounds fun.
It was.
Then what happened?
I started scrolling through older posts.
Why?
Just curiosity, I guess.
Were you searching for someone specific?
Not at first.
Then how did you end up on your ex's profile?
Her name popped up in my suggested friends.
Oh,
I hadn't seen her profile in a long time.
what did you do?
I told myself I'd only look for a few seconds.
Was that true?
Not really.
What happened instead?
I started scrolling through her old photos.
Were you curious?
Just a little.
How old were the photos?
Some were only a few months old.
Did you keep scrolling?
Yes.
Did you notice how much time was passing?
Not at all.
Were you paying attention to what you were doing?
Honestly, no.
Then what?
I kept scrolling further and further back.
How far did you go?
Really far.
Really?
Yes.
What did you find?
A photo from 3 years ago.
3 years?
Yes.
Did you remember it?
I did.
What was in the photo?
She was standing near a lake at sunset.
That sounds like a nice picture.
It was.
What did you do?
I looked at it for a moment.
Then?
My finger slipped.
Oh no.
Exactly.
What happened?
I accidentally hit the like button.
Seriously?
Yes.
What was your first thought?
Please tell me that didn't just happen.
Did it happen?
It did.
What did you do next?
Removed the like immediately.
How fast?
Under a second.
Did that make you feel better?
Only slightly.
Why only slightly?
Something occurred to me.
What?
Notifications sometimes go out instantly.
Oh dear.
Exactly.
Did you think she might have already seen it?
Yes.
Were you worried?
Extremely.
What did you do then?
I closed the app.
Did that help?
Not really.
Why not?
I couldn't stop thinking about it.
Did you open it again?
Yes.
What did you check?
The photo itself.
Was your like still showing?
No.
That's good.
But I was still nervous.
Why?
I didn't know if the notification had already gone through.
That makes sense.
I set my phone down on the table.
Did that stop you thinking about it?
I tried.
Did it work?
Not even a little.
What were you thinking about?
Whether she'd already seen my name pop up.
Did you tell anyone?
No.
Why not?
Too embarrassed.
Did you leave your phone alone for a while?
About 5 minutes.
Did those minutes feel long?
Like an entire hour.
I can imagine.
Every little sound made me grab my phone.
Were you expecting a message?
Yes.
Did it stay quiet?
For a little while.
Then what happened?
My phone suddenly buzzed.
Did she notice the like?
The moment I heard that sound, I just knew something had happened.
What did you do?
I picked up my phone very slowly.
Were you nervous?
Extremely.
What did you see?
A new message.
From who?
My ex.
Oh no.
Exactly what I thought.
Did you open it right away?
Not immediately.
Why not?
I was scared to read it.
Then what?
I took a deep breath.
And?
Opened the message.
What did it say?
Just, "Hi, Michael."
That's it?
That's it.
How did you feel?
Even more nervous.
Did you reply?
I waited a minute first.
Why?
I wanted to think it through.
Smart move.
I replied, "Hello, how are you?"
What happened next?
She replied almost instantly.
What did she say?
"I'm doing well. How have you been?"
That sounds friendly.
It did.
Did she bring up the photo?
Not right away.
Really?
No.
What did you two talk about?
Work, everyday stuff.
Was it a comfortable conversation?
Yes, calm and friendly.
Then what?
After a few minutes, she asked me something.
What did she ask?
"Did you accidentally like one of my old photos?"
Oh dear.
I knew that question was coming.
What did you say?
I told her the truth.
What was that?
Yes, it was an accident. I'm sorry.
How did she react?
She sent a laughing emoji.
Really?
Yes,
That must have been a relief.
it really was.
Was she upset at all?
Not at all.
What did she say?
Don't worry, it happens.
That was kind of her.
I thought so too.
Did you keep talking?
Yes, for a few more minutes.
About what?
Old memories, mostly.
Was it a nice conversation?
It was.
Did you both laugh about the mistake?
We did.
That's a much better outcome than you expected.
Much better.
Were you still a little embarrassed?
A little.
But not as much as before.
Exactly.
What did you take away from this?
To be more careful on social media.
I agree.
Also, not to panic.
Why does that matter?
Because things are usually not as bad as we imagine.
That's true.
We tend to worry too much.
Completely agree.
Staying calm helps you think more clearly.
Great lesson.
Now I'm a lot more careful when scrolling through old photos.
Do you still check old profiles?
Rarely.
Why not?
I don't want another surprise like that.
Understandable.
I also hold my phone more carefully now.
That's a smart habit.
It's helped me avoid repeat mistakes.
Has it happened again since then?
Never.
Not once?
Not once.
That's great.
Lesson learned.
Looking back now, how do you feel about that evening? I smile every time I think of it. Even though you were so nervous?
Yes,
Why is that?
because everything worked out fine.
That's nice.
It turned into a funny story instead of a bad memory.
I love stories with happy endings.
Me too.
I bet a lot of people have made a similar mistake.
I believe so.
Social media can definitely catch us off guard sometimes.
It really can.
Thank you for sharing the story.
Thank you for listening.
Now we have a question for our listeners.
Have you ever accidentally liked an old photo or sent the wrong reaction on social media?
What happened after that?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your stories.
And if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting English Nexora.
Your support helps us create more English learning content.
We truly appreciate it.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!